It's a question that isn't new or unique to our state. Are high school students getting the education they need when it comes to learning about how their government works?
A Maine program that has been around for nearly 2 decades is working to make sure the answer is yes, at least when it comes to our court system.
Today, it was at Greeley High School in Cumberland, and so was News Center Maine's Chloe Tebow.
All right, we are ready to get underway.
This is a process most people will never get to see in real life.
The primary purpose is the touchstone.
An oral argument for an appeals case before the Maine Supreme Judicial Court. Also in the room Tuesday, dozens of high schoolers who got a front row seat to watch democracy in action.
They're probably not going to go to the courthouse to watch the goings-on. So we bring the courthouse to them.
Justice Andrew Mead says for years, the 7 justices in the court have been going to different high schools every October to do their job in front of an audience.
But this is a real thing. This is a real deal. It's very engaging, and the consequences are enormous for the people involved.
One of my most interesting arguments was some years ago before a group of students at Thornton Academy.
Representative Steve Moriarty is a retired attorney himself, and he asked the court to include Greeley High School on its list of places to visit. He says only a few schools get the opportunity per year, but the experience has been worth the wait.
If you can come to the community itself and to the school setting, you're really showing commitment and dedication to the people of the state.
People who are interested in learning more about the way their government works.
My students were able to read the briefs submitted by each one of the sides in each of the cases, and we talked about it in class.
Social studies teacher Richard Taylor says Tuesday's event helped to make the theoretical more real.
Students need to come in contact with their government and their democracy in motion.
In motion, providing a full circle moment.
In our first case, the attorney for the state was a 2010 Greeley graduate, and she made that known to the court and to the students there.
Showing these kids they can pursue a similar path if they choose. In Cumberland, Chloe Tebow, News Center, Maine.
The justices will be visiting Winthrop tomorrow and Skowhegan on Thursday.